Let's see how experiential learning cultivates critical skills. Experiential learning is a dynamic approach that builds essential workplace skills through interactive activities. Here's how: building bridges between theory and practice. Experiential learning engages multiple senses and different learning styles. Visual learners benefit from demonstrations, while kinesthetic learners grasp concepts through physical involvement. This approach strengthens neural connections between theory and practice, deepening understanding. Owning problem-solving skills. Experiential learning presents real-world challenges, requiring you to dissect situations, weigh options, and develop creative solutions. This approach hones your problem-solving abilities, making you more resourceful and adaptable. Critical thinking, essential for effective problem solving, is nurtured through experiential learning. Implementing experiential learning can significantly enhance your team's performance and drive organizational